Now in this slide, we are going to take a deeper look at classes and object. We are going to use the same class, that is another class that we have used in the previous example, where it has a variable called var and a function named demo function 1, and the contents and everything values are all same. But here the main difference between the previous code and this code is, here instead of only one object, I have created two different objects. The first object name is AC, and then the second object name is AC2. Although they have been created in a same way, but they are basically the different object. Now, one thing you need to remember: when there are two different objects, each object is basically different from another. They basically occupies entirely different space in memory. All their functionalities, all their variables are all different. For example, like this AC.demo function 1 is entirely different from AC2.demo function 1. Although both of them are calling the demo function 1, but since they are different objects, they are actually pointing to different function. It is for easy visualization. If you are thinking that this is a complicated concept, for easy visualization, just consider this figure in the right hand side of the slide. So here basically, let's say your dream car is BMW, and you have designed the class for your dream car called BMW class, and it has all the different attributes and all these different things. Now let's say that you have got a new car of your BMW, and also your friend got another BMW car of the same model, which is exactly same as your dream car. So now just try to think, although both of them are derived from the same BMW class, but they are different objects, right? It is your car, and so this is basically, let's say, your car, and this is entirely different. This is your friend's car. So your friend's car means, although they are from the same BMW class, but both the cars has different windows, both the car has different lights, both the car has different wheels. So everything is different. Although they look and feel wise, everything is same, but they are actually different. So the exactly the same thing is correct in here also. Although the demo function name, demo function 1, and the var name, everything is same, but they are entirely different. So just in order to clarify the concept, here you can do this example, you can run this program in any IDE. So here basically, just for clarification, I have used this AC object and followed by this dot and then var, and set the value of var to 20, value of the var of AC object to 20, and it will basically change the object, change the value inside the object AC. And then in the next line basically I have changed the value of the same var variable of AC2 to 40, and this will basically change the value of AC2. So although they are both different variable, both same var, but they are actually different because the object is totally different. It is just like the fact that, well, you in your car, in your BMW car, you got some flat tire issue, but in your friend's car the tire is perfectly all right. There is no flat tire because there are different tires. And so the same thing here, if you just print these value of this variable, you will see that ac.var will give you the value 20, which you have set in here, and ac2.var will give you 40, which you have set in here. So through this example, you can easily understand that different objects of same class are basically different space in memory. They are totally different objects, although they have the same function, same functionality, same variables, but they are different. They occupy different spaces in memory, different places in memory, and you can handle them differently.